Housemaid's tamarind sauce. Okay?
We add the so we flash boil the noodles so that they kind of hydrate, and then we added it to a grill high heat so it dries out all of the extra water. Hi! Welcome to the pad thai stand. And then we add the tamarind sauce because we want, that's what helps create the chewy and stretchy quality for the rice noodles. Because pad thai noodles need to stretch while you're eating it. You need to be able to have fun with your food.
Gotta bring out the kid in you.
Sort of like if your parents used to make you like spaghetti right on the table, and you're just like pulling it with the fork.
Yeah.
Yep. And it doesn't taste the same after the next day, no matter how much you try to cook it.
Yeah.
So yeah, he's cooked the noodles a bit. Chicken has had time to kind of sear. This is where we scramble in the egg to add a little extra golden color to it. Don't worry, those ones are going to you. So we put the noodles on top to give the chicken time to steam. Because we want the chicken to be cooked, but we don't want it to be over. We want the meat to be juicy, but not dry. Hi guys! Welcome to the pad thai stand. Got some shallots for a little flavor and texture. A little sugar. Now why do you think he added the sugar right there?
Don't know.
Wow.
Nah, why don't you give him a little hint?
You gotta balance. There's a bridge.
Spicy and sweet.
And the sour also balances out too, and it turns into tangy because there's certain profiles. What we're doing right here is we're gonna roast the coconut cream and let the coconut cream, you know what I mean, get a third flavor, which is the roasted flavor. After that, you're just gonna bring it all together. See? Just like that. See? Bring it all back together. Dry it out just a little bit. Your chicken should be nice and steamed and seared. Okay, good.
All right, let's make their day. Make their day now.
Well, take a bite out of the noodles. So, all that videotaping, are you hungry yet, sir?